Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're taking a look at the Import and Survey Library section. The Survey Library contains your already existing surveys and ready-to-use templates from a Netigate library. First click Create a Survey, and then click Copy a Survey, and we're moved into the Survey Library. Here you can find all your surveys plus the whole Netigate library. The library contains crisp-looking and quality-assured survey templates and questions. This is an easy way to get started and to send out your surveys. The content is categorized in 4 different user areas, starting with background questions. Second is voice of the customer. Third is voice of employee, and last but not least, we have market research. From here on, we can easily preview any of the surveys by clicking the preview icon on the left-hand side. To copy any of the surveys, simply click Add this survey, enter a new name, and click Create. And we're straight away moved into the first question of this new copy of the survey. Now, I want to add a new question to this first page in the survey. Using the left-hand menu, I'm going to use the import function to import a new background question from the Netigate library. Picking voice of customer, demographics, and the question, in which country is your head office located? Clicking Add, scrolling down to click Save. This question is now added into our new survey. Easy! That's all for this tutorial, thanks for watching and see you again soon.